Okay, this is the PDX-1400 generator with load matching. On the front panel you have your on and off switch, indicator lights for different modes, your selection knob for what you want to display here, frequency adjust, and load selection. I have this unit feeding into a 50 watt or 50 ohm resistive load, so I've got it on select on number 2. Right now we're looking at the frequency. You can see reflective power, load power, and set point are 0. The set point is through a user input on the back, which I'll indicate, and it's a voltage selection. So I have a small voltage power supply hooked up for demonstration purposes. I'm going to set it on to give me an output. Right now it's set to 3.8 volts. And as you can see, our wattage has increased. We are 542 watts. Our set point light has come on. And as I go through the dial, the load power, you can see it's the same. And the reflective power back is 96 watts. And our frequency right now is 327, which we could change by this knob up here. Conversely, if I go back to the set point and I change this output, you can see that the wattage output set point will change. And then if I go up, the load output power has changed and the reflective power has changed. I'd like to point out a couple things on the back. Okay. Here's the 9-pin D sub. This is the user input. You'll have to wire it. I'll provide a plug that's empty, and you'll have to wire to what you need. The wiring diagram is in the manual as to what inputs are required. Over here is the main power circuit breaker, and this does have the ability to be locked into either the on or the off position by means of tightening a screw. Over here there's an interlock. Right now I just have it wired, but there is an interlock cover and an interlock assembly that will go on there, and that will be with the unit. And this is our output power going to the resistive load.